Hello, thank you for tuning in. This is Beauty at Will, and this is a week 10 on some starter locks update. And I'm just showing you how his hair is looking before we wash it or anything like that. It's been 2 weeks since he had a retwist, and you can see how his hair is looking right now. It's not doing so well, and I think it's because he is very active. So we're going to do an interlocking method to do his retwist. So we're going to kind of retwist it, and then we're going to interlock it, which I think that's going to work better for him. And before we started even doing the retwisting process, we said we might start back interlocking. So the first thing we're going to do is just wash his hair, and we're just washing his hair, making sure that it's super clean before we get to start working. So after his hair is washed, this is how it should be looking, something like this. And yeah, so we're going to jump right into this video. And first thing I'm going to show you is the products that I'm using. This is some Shine and Jam, and everything will be in the description box as well. A crochet needle and a comb. And of course, some clips to keep his hair out the way as I work each section. So I'm just starting with the back of his hair. I'm just kind of using the clamps to kind of get to his scalp. And I'm just applying the Shine and Jam to his scalp. And in between each lock, I'm also applying some Shine and Jam. Once I get through with that, I'm just going to take my parting comb and I'm just going to clean up his parts. So as I do each of his locks, it'll look really well put together and neat. So that's what I'm doing right here. And you just want to kind of smooth that Shine and Jam into his lock. Grab your comb and just kind of twirl it around, kind of like you're just doing a regular comb coil 2-strand twist. But after that, I'm going to use my crochet needle and start interlocking his starter locks. And I'm just going to the side, and then I'm just gonna go upward as well, and I'm just gonna go to the next, to the side again, and I'm just making sure that it's tight enough. And I felt like I could do one more interlock, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just grabbing the tail end of his starter lock and just pulling it through until it's very secure, and I'm satisfied with that. It's very secure. And I'm just going to show you a few more times how to do that. I'm just kind of twisting the hair, and then I'm just kind of interlocking it in, just kind of pulling it from the side. Then I go to the middle, and then back to the side, and then back to the middle if I need to, just to see how tight it is. So the tighter that it is, the best, that I think, because we should have to interlock, retwist his hair in probably in about 4 to 6 weeks. So I just want to give you a close-up of how to do that. And yeah, so just enjoy this video. So this is how his hair is looking halfway in between, and then I'm just showing you the side of his hair as well, just to show you the difference between the locking and the non-locking. And yes, this is the finished result. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You are greatly appreciated, and have a great blessed day.